Zapadna obala Irske je poznata po čudljivom vremenu. U jednom trenutku je sunčano, a onda odjednom počne kiša. Oni koji ovdje žele promatrati valove moraju se dobro obući ili pronaći zaklon u dijelu starog aviona.
Clients love them, and they love the fact that they can sit up here on the bank. They're looking out at the sea. They can watch people surfing. They can watch people swimming, and they're sitting in here in the comfort of this.
Hotel Zenthouse u irskom Donegalu ima u ponudi dvije bivše avionske kabine.
When you're by the sea here, everything rusts. The windows in the bedrooms, the doors, handles, everything rusts. So far with these here, they've been fantastic. You know, no rust, no maintenance. So we think a very, very good investment.
Širom svijeta postoje groblja zrakoplova poput ovog u Teruelu u Španjolskoj. Međunarodno udruženje za aviotransport IATA procjenjuje da se svake godine iz upotrebe povuče 700 aviona. Taj broj raste. Pronalaženje načina za daljnju upotrebu njihovih dijelova postaje važnije nego ikad. Shane Thornton i Kevin Regan su osnivači kompanije Aeropods. Prije 2 godine su došli na ideju da preuređuju avione. Od tada su pretvorili više od 30 dijelova avionskih trupova u vrtne kućice, pokretne urede i vikendice. Aeropod košta između 20 i 45 tisuća eura, ovisno o veličini i karakteristikama.
We're basically buying them on their last flight. We've bought the fuselage, say as soon as it lands we have one ordered. So everything else in the plane has been recycled and sent all over the world to be redone. Some of it's going back into planes to flying again. And the likes of what we're doing here, we're basically using nearly 80% of everything in the plane. That one's on the bottom, isn't she?
Zidovi pod zahtijevaju dodatnu izolaciju, a kroz trup aviona se moraju provesti novi kablovi.
Tiny houses in America, in the States, is huge, and it's getting that way too here even. You know, people realise now that we can't build the big houses like we always did. You can't do it, like, you know. You can't heat them.
Zbog toga ova dvojica Iraca planiraju proširiti svoj posao na europski kontinent. Troškovi grijanja rastu i tamo, a na mnogim mjestima i more zna biti prilično nemirno.